Ever fumbled for your debit card at the checkout line, only to realize it's hiding somewhere in the abyss of your bag? Or maybe you're stuck reconciling a confusing statement, desperately wishing you could check your account on the go. In today's digital age, a mobile banking app feels less like a luxury and more like a necessity. So, if you're considering switching to Relay Bank, a question naturally pops up: does Relay Bank have an app? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. The rise of the mobile banking app. Let's rewind a decade. Banks were these intimidating brick-and-mortar institutions you visited for your financial needs. Long lines, limited hours, and mountains of paperwork were the norm. Then came the smartphone revolution, and with it, the rise of mobile banking apps. Suddenly, managing your finances became a breeze. Check your balance, transfer funds, pay bills, all from the comfort of your couch, in your pajamas, no judgment here. Mobile apps transformed how we interact with our banks. They offered convenience, accessibility, and a sense of control. Today, most major banks boast feature-rich apps that can handle nearly everything you could do at a branch. The case of Relay Bank, a different approach. Now, back to Relay Bank. Here's where things get interesting. Unlike most traditional banks, Relay currently doesn't have a dedicated mobile app. Wait, what? Don't panic and close that new account tab just yet. Here's the thing: Relay Bank takes a different approach to banking. They focus on a streamlined, online-only experience. Their website is designed to be mobile-friendly, meaning you can access most account features from your smartphone's web browser. Think of it as a lightweight app without the need for an actual download. But wait, there's more. Now, the lack of a dedicated app might raise some eyebrows. After all, mobile apps offer a level of convenience and ease of use that's hard to replicate on a web browser. However, there are some potential advantages to Relay's approach. Focus on security. One concern with apps is security. Downloads can sometimes contain vulnerabilities, and managing app updates adds another layer of complexity. By focusing on a secure online platform, Relay might be prioritizing the safety of your hard-earned cash. Streamlined experience. Let's face it, not all banking apps are created equal. Some are cluttered with features you'll never use, making it harder to find what you need. Relay's web-based interface might offer a more focused, streamlined experience for users who only need basic banking functionality. Faster updates. Apps require updates to fix bugs and add new features. Relay, on the other hand, can update their online platform seamlessly. You won't need to wait for an App Store update to access the latest features. So, is the lack of an app a deal breaker? Ultimately, the decision depends on your banking needs. If you're a tech-savvy individual comfortable managing your finances through a web browser, Relay's approach could be a great fit. However, if you heavily rely on mobile banking features like mobile deposits or quick account checks, the lack of a dedicated app might be a significant drawback. The future of Relay Banking? Here's the exciting part. The absence of an app doesn't necessarily mean it's out of the picture forever. Relay Bank is a relatively new player in the financial sphere. They might be focusing on building a strong foundation before expanding into mobile apps. Who knows, maybe the future holds a sleek and feature-rich Relay app waiting to revolutionize your banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.